Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. S.N.S. Rajlashmi, College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to speak about budgetary control. So, coming to the meaning of budgetary control refers to the process of planning, controlling, and monitoring the organization's revenue and expenses to ensure that they align with the budget. It involves creating budgets for various business activities, monitoring actual performance against the budget, identifying variations, and taking corrective actions to bring the budget back on track. According to Brown and Harvard, budgetary control is a system of controlling costs which includes the preparation of budgets, coordinating the departments, and establishing responsibilities, comparing actual performance with the budgeted, and acting upon results to achieve maximum profitability. The reasons for preparing budgets are to aid the planning of annual activities of various parts of organization and to ensure that the parts are in harmony with each other, to communicate plans to various responsibility center managers, to motivate managers to strive to achieve the organizational goals, to control activities, to evaluate the performance of managers. Objectives of budgetary control. Planning is an initial and basic steps of any organization. It ensures creating a financial plan for a specific time on which the future actions and decisions of the organization depend. Budgetary controls lays out a plan for income of money to be spent, providing a directions for the company's financial activities over a predetermined period. Coordination. The next objective is to coordinate or align the business or financial operation with the organization's overall goals and objectives, ensuring that all departments and activities work together. Decision making. It is one of the primary steps of budgetary control which provides a solid foundation on which to make crucial decisions that affects the future and workings of the organization. With the help of the budgetary control, management has access to precise and timely information on the organizational financial performance. Cost control. Cost control is a way in which the organization can keep a check on the budget and expenses and ensure that they do not exceed revenue goals. It is also important to identify the areas where the cost can be reduced. Resource allocation. It is necessary to ensure that optimum utilization of resource by allocating them to the most significant areas according to the priority and requirements. Performance measurement. Performance measurement is a tool or a way to evaluate the actual performance of the organization concerning the budget, analyze and understand the problems in different areas and take appropriate actions where needed. Communication. It is one of the main advantage of budgetary control. Along with motivation, it is essential to communicate the financial goals and objectives to all levels or departments of the organization so that every employee in the organization recognizes the importance of their role and gets motivated. Achievement of financial targets. The most important benefits of budgetary control is to make sure that the organization achieves its set goals or targets while keeping a check on its expenses and waste of resources. The process of budgetary control includes preparation of various budget, continuous comparison of actual performance with budgetary performance, revision of budgets in the light of changed circumstances. Types of budgetary controlling techniques. Budgetary control is a system for monitoring an organization's process in monetary terms. So the types of budgetary controlling techniques are financial budget, operating budget, non-monetary budget. Benefits of budgetary control. Budget facilitates the planning of various activities and ensures that the work of the organization is systematic and smooth. Budgeting is a coordinated exercise and hence combines the idea of different levels of management. Any budget cannot be prepared in isolation and therefore coordination among various departments is facilitated automatically. Budgeting helps planning and controlling income and expenditure to achieve higher profitability. Budgeting is an effective measure for planning and thus ensures sufficient availability of working capital and resources. It is extremely necessary to evaluate the actual performance with predetermined parameters. Budgeting ensures that there are well defined parameters and thus the performance is evaluated against these parameters. As the resources are directed to the most productive use, budgeting helps in reducing the wastage and losses. Conclusion: budgeting is the formulation of plan for a given future period in numerical terms. Organization may establish budgets for units, departments, divisions, or the whole organization. Thank you.